Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Judge Juan Merchan of the Stormy Daniels, Alvin Bragg, Donald Trump trial. He just got rocked. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. You know, the judge may have gagged Donald Trump so he can't reveal the absolute corruption that we believe is happening here, but he didn't gag us. He didn't gag Jesse Waters of Fox News. He didn't gag the people who can tell you that his daughter's firm is making millions of dollars from people like Adam Schiff and the Biden-Harris campaign who are fundraising off the Trump trials. His own daughter stands to gain financially from this. How this man is allowed to sit on this trial is ridiculous. It defies the laws of any perception even of impropriety. There used to be a thing in the law where you had to recuse yourself because of the perception of impropriety. How is there not a perception of impropriety here? And then you gag Donald Trump so he can't even talk about it. Meanwhile, Stormy Daniels is giving interviews. Alvin Bragg's talking about it, but Trump can't defend himself in the court of public opinion. No, this is absolutely ridiculous. And this judge should be removed from the case immediately. I want you to listen to what Jesse Waters has to say about it, and then let me know what you think. Is Trump getting a fair shake here? Because I don't think so. Folks, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.
Trump is banned from talking about the judge's family. Why? Because the judge's family was paid by the Biden campaign. The judge's family is currently being paid by Adam Schiff over $10 million. Adam Schiff, this is the guy who conspired with Michael Cohen, the star witness in this case. Trump isn't allowed to say that the judge's daughter is a Democrat consultant whose clients, the Biden campaign, Adam Schiff, are fundraising off Trump's indictment. The judge's family's getting rich off Trump trials, and he's presiding over one. And if Trump's convicted, his family financially benefits. And instead of recusing because of a glaring conflict of interest, the judge is gagging Trump for pointing out the conflict of interest. Even Michael Avenatti says it's nuts. The lawyer tweeting this from prison. We can't be hypocrites when it comes to the First Amendment. It's outrageous that Cohen and Daniels can do countless TV interviews, post on social, and make money on bogus documentaries, all by talking ish about Trump. But he's gagged and threatened with jail if he responds. The judge is threatening to put Trump in jail for pointing out that his liberal family's getting rich off this trial, and richer if he's convicted. Now, the media, who doesn't support the First Amendment or care about corruption, covers it this way.
The judge overseeing Donald Trump's hush money trial just expanded a gag order forbidding the defendant and former president from attacking his own family.
He doesn't just take his right to due process. He smears the judge. He harasses the judge's daughter.
President Trump, our former chief executive, is using the bully pulpit that comes with being a former president to put people in grave danger. Quite apart from his attacks on the judge's daughter, which are totally uncalled for.
The judge's daughter isn't 7. She's 34. He's not attacking her. He's just saying what she does for a living. How's that an attack? He just wants a new judge, one whose family isn't funded by Democrats. Ned Ryan is the founder of American Majority. Is that too much to ask?
It's really not, Jesse. It's pretty appalling. This feels like a turning point in all of this lawfare against Trump. With this case, the left is dropping any pretense, doesn't seem to care at all about having any pretense of legitimacy with the greater public. It's the gloves are off. It's bare knuckles now. A leftist judge with a case that was not taken up by the Southern District of New York, Bragg's predecessor, a case that should never have been brought. He's presiding over it. Trump simply points out his daughter, the conflict of interest with his daughter, who, by the way, it's $93 million in solicitations raised on this specific case. And all Trump did was point out these facts. And instead of recusing himself, the judge goes, you need to shut up. And the corporate propagandists, with their Circus Seal Act, obediently rise to the occasion and say Trump's attacking the daughter. No, he's just pointing out facts. I mean, Jesse, this is a gross, the attack on Trump's constitutional rights to defend himself, the abuse of the law, the legal system on Trump. I have to tell you, the Democrats, the left, have made a massive bet on all of this lawfare that some of it will take Trump out. I'm making a bet that this lawfare is going to blow up in their face. When things like this really break in on the normies that are watching this, they're going to realize the gross abuse of power that the left is actually doing to try and bring down Trump. Because Orange Man bad. And anything, anywhere, anytime is acceptable because Orange Man bad.